How to fix account not found on TikTok. If you are seeing the account not found error on TikTok, it could be due to several reasons, and here is how you can fix it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, tap on the search address bar and type down TikTok. Now tap on the TikTok app, and here you can see update option available. Tap on the update and start updating your TikTok. It might take few minutes for update to finish because a latest version of update can bug fix a simple errors or minor glitches on your TikTok app as well. Once done, simply tap on the open option available there and check if there is any improvements. If not, go to any web browser. Then in the search address bar, type down Downdetector and press enter. Then tap on the first option available there. Now here all you have to do is look for the TikTok app. If you do not find it, then tap on the search address bar at the top right corner and type down TikTok and hit enter. Now here you will get to see if TikTok has been down or not, or if TikTok is facing any problem or not. If there is no problem, then again go back and tap on the web browser again, and this time all you have to do is in the search address bar type down TikTok support and search for it. Then tap on the first option available there. Now here all you have to do is select account and login issues and explain the problem and request help. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.